In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a client contact in PracticePanther. Managing your contact list is an important part of keeping your PracticePanther account organized. Over time, you may end up with contacts that are no longer needed, duplicate entries, or clients that you simply don't want to keep in your database. Removing outdated contacts can make it easier to navigate your records and keep your workspace clean. Fortunately, deleting a client or contact in PracticePanther is a simple process and can be done in just a few clicks. To get started, sign into your PracticePanther account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From the home screen, look at the blue navigation bar across the top of the page and click on Contacts. This will open your complete contact list, where all of your clients and other saved contacts are displayed. Once you're viewing your contacts, you'll notice that there are a couple of different ways to remove someone from the list. The quickest method is to locate the contact you want to delete and check the box next to their name. As soon as you select the contact, an action menu becomes available near the top of the page. Click the small arrow next to the blue action button to reveal the available options. Then choose Delete, which is represented by a trash can icon. If you prefer, there's another method that lets you delete a contact directly from their profile. Simply click on the contact's name to open their details page. Once the profile loads, look near the top of the screen where you'll find another trash can icon. Click the Delete option to begin removing that contact. Regardless of which method you choose, PracticePanther will display a confirmation message before permanently deleting the contact. This extra confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletions and gives you one final opportunity to verify your choice. If you're certain you want to remove the contact, click the green Yes button to confirm the action. After confirming, the selected contact will be removed from your PracticePanther account. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the bulk selection method from the contact list or delete an individual contact from their profile page, both options are quick and easy to use. Keeping your contact list organized can make managing your PracticePanther account much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you successfully remove a client contact from PracticePanther.